dear educational lovers, my name is Mercy. I'm 14 years old and I'm SS2. Our schools have already vacated and it's important that we don't play our hearts out. Let us remember that we're supposed to read, study, and try to refresh our memories about what we've done in our second term in our various schools. Don't worry, I'm here to help you guys out. So I'll be talking about some topics pertaining to the science subjects, physics, chemistry, and biology for the SS2, SS3, and SS1. So for today, I'll be talking about sound wave, which is a topic under physics subject. Firstly, what is a sound? Sound is a type of wave which is produced as a result of the vibration of an object or body. Sound wave is a mechanical wave because it requires a material medium for its propagation. Properties of sound wave. We have the refraction of sound waves, the reflection of sound waves, the diffraction of sound waves, and the interference of sound waves. Waves in general have 5 properties. That is the reflection, refraction, diffraction, interference, and polarization. But sound wave in particular does not possess the property of polarization. This is because it is a longitudinal wave. That is, the direction of vibration of the wave is the same as the direction of travel of the medium. Firstly, I'll be talking about the reflection of sound waves. Reflection of waves could be defined as the change in the direction of the wave when it comes in contact with an object. Reflection of sound waves gives rise to what we know as echo. Echo, which is the sound we hear after the reflection of sound onto a flat surface, could pose as a nuisance in an auditorium or hall, which leads to a phenomenon which we know or call reverberation. Reverberation could be defined as the persistence of sound in a room after the echo has occurred or the reflection of sound has occurred, which prevents the listener from differentiating between the original sound and the reflected sound, in quotes, echo. Now, but echo could be prevented or controlled in a hall or auditorium by covering the ceiling or the floor with a soft perforated board, which helps to absorb the sound and minimize the reflection of the sound wave. But that is not the only way of preventing reverberation in a hall. Reverberation could also be prevented by making use of curtains or the construction of several windows in the hall. Secondly, I'll be talking about diffraction of sound. Sound could be refracted when it passes or moves through two mediums of different density. That is, when it refracts, I mean it bends, or the speed of propagation increases or decreases depending on the density of the two mediums. That is why they say sound moves faster in water than in air, because the density of water is slightly higher than that of air. I think I've come to the end of today's lecture. I hope you guys loved my video. If you want to learn more about sound wave, please like my video and follow for more. If there's any question, please drop on the comment section. Bye. Bye guys. Bye guys.